Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report under. So basically here the scenario is very simple. Now we can see one table visible and one slicer as well as one card visible. So here the requirement is, so in the slicer, for example, if I select one means, so I need to display the latest month as well as the previous month. So in my case, latest month is July 2004. So if I select one means July plus June I need to display. In case if I select two means latest month plus 2 months like previous 2 months. So that is the requirement. So we'll try to understand so whether it is giving correctly or not. For time I'm trying to select one. So let me select, sorry. So now you can see latest month is July and I am displaying June also. It means that so it's working fine. Let me select 2. Now you can see, and third, fourth, fifth. So this is the total value for all these months. So it's working fine. In case if I did not select any value, I need to show all the months so in the table visible. Okay, so that is the requirement and it's working fine also. Now I'll try to understand what kind of logic I have written to get this expected output. So basically it's very simple only. Let me go through it. So click on measure. So now you can see, so basically I used to write variables while writing DAX expressions, because using variables easily we can so debug the code in case any errors occurring while writing any kind of expressions and all. So that's why even if you notice in my previous videos also, I always used to declare multiple variables whenever it is required. So that's I believe it helps a lot while debugging the code. So that is the reason I used to use variables wherever it is required. Now we'll go through the code first. So in the first variable I have declared some name. So basically what it is doing, it is trying to capture the selection that is doing in the slicer. Okay, in case if I select one means I'm trying to fetch that one value. In case 2 means 2, 3 means 3. So in the second variable, so what it is written, basically I'm trying to generate a ranking based on the month year. Okay, so for each month year I'm trying to generate the ranking. So in that case I want to find the max ranking. So means, so I want to display the latest month, right? So that is the reason I want to find the max ranking. In the third variable, so I'm trying to use the filter condition to get the only based on the selection like a 2 months or 3 months or 4 months. So this is the filter condition, and finally I'm trying to return that expression. Okay, so as simple as that. So this is the code I have written to get this expected output. So I think that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.